Merry Christmas, ladies. Merry Christmas, Mr. Buble. Are you ready to sing a little jingle bells? Yeah! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I have got for you guys a little Disney holiday haul. I honestly wasn't planning on filming this video. It was a little last minute until I kind of noticed that I've been buying a lot of Disney things. Surprise, surprise. This holiday season. Most of these things presents, but also a lot of them are for myself because, you know, treat yourself.
Treat yourself.
Yeah. So anyways, I thought I would just film this and show you guys what I've been buying this holiday season that is Disney related. Hopefully it inspires you guys. A lot of these things are very vintage related or like retro because, as you know, if you don't, I am really into the vintage style. I'm also really big on the 80s and 90s things. So that's what you're gonna be seeing here. Oh, and before I get into it, disclaimer, as some of you guys may know, I do work for the Walt Disney Company. That doesn't mean that anybody paid me or asked me to make this video. I am a big Disney fan myself, so all of these opinions are my own. So just wanna put that out there. Not being biased, but I do love Disney, so I guess I am biased. I don't know. Without further ado, let me show you what I've been buying and getting this holiday season. The very first thing is this Mouseketeers bag set kind of thing. It's the classic 1950s, designed after, because it's not from that era. Obviously they made it like recently. It's a little set. The outer bag is transparent, as you can see. I think they're like for makeup and storage mostly. So that's what I'm gonna be using the outer one for. And so on the inside, it has two little surprises. It has this little pouch, which I suppose is also meant to be used like as a makeup bag, pencil bag, whatever you want. It has a little Mouseketeers flag on it and a dancing, marching Mickey. And on the inside, it's just a nice classic kind of red with a gold zipper. I'm gonna be using this as a clutch and probably for some future outfits, you know what I'm saying? It has something else that is super adorable as well. A Mickey Mouse Club mirror. Hope you can see it there. It has a little magnifying mirror so you can see all your lovely pimples or mustache hairs like me. Yeah, and then just a regular mirror that won't scare you as much. Oh, and going back to the Mouseketeer bag, the clear one, the bigger one, this one just has some Mickeys and Mickey headbands, and it says Mickey Mouse Club on the back. Yeah, cute, cute. Next little things that I have to show you guys is from Besame Cosmetics. If you guys don't know what Besame Cosmetics is, it is a vintage replica, vintage inspired makeup line. And they recently came to my campus to work and I got to buy some things from them finally. I've been wanting to get things from them forever. I just haven't gotten around to it, but they were there. And I got some cute little things. The first little thing that I got was the Snow White Pies lip balm set. This gorgeous beauty here. For each of the three bombs, there's a different flavor and they're all based off of Snow White's pies. How cute is that? The first one is gooseberry, then you have apple pie and cherry. And let me tell you, these all smell amazing. They're just a clear type of gloss with a little bit of tint to them. I think these are perfect, especially for the winter, to give to others because if you're like me, you get really dry, chapped lips in the winter. So I would love these, especially before applying like some matte lipstick like what I'm wearing right now that really causes my lips to get extra dry. I don't know that I'm gonna be keeping all of these. I may be gifting a couple of them to some friends, so we'll see. And as part of that collection too, I also got this Disney Snow White purse. What do you call this? What is it? Pencil case? The bag, this bag. But this bag looks like a book and it's very neat. The second I laid my eyes on it, I knew I had to get this baby too. Just a plain old little bag. It has an extra little pocket in there, which is really nice. I'll probably also be using this for makeup. Do I really need so many makeup bags? Actually, yes, because I have like a ton of makeup, so these are perfect for organization and just putting different lip colors, pencils, eye stuff in different ones. So I'm keeping this baby. Another little Besame thing that I got was one of their Mermaid Lagoon collections. This one came out recently, I think in the fall. It is the Water Lily Blossom Red lipstick. It's from their Peter Pan collection. That's why it's called Mermaid Lagoon. And the packaging, like the packaging for all of their stuff, if you can't tell already, is adorable. They really went all out with this Disney collection. So it's like a nice, pretty little pink Also feels like very nice. It has a nice weight to it. And then it has like the gold at the bottom, and it has like some I can't speak today. It has some starfish and seashells on it. It's like a brickish red, sort of. Can't ever have too many reds, and I'm so excited to start wearing this one. Oh, and these things I did not buy, but they had at their booth as little takeaways. The Besame bugle. How cute is that? And they also gave me this bag, which is not Disney related, but I just wanted to show you because I think it's so cute. Moving on to more retro, like 90s, 80s related things, we have a gift for my very good friend, Anna Sanchez. Anna, if I haven't given this to you by the time I upload this, look away now because I don't want to ruin the surprise. Or, I mean, you can just keep looking and be surprised now and then, yeah. Anyways, my friend Anna is a super big fan of a Goofy movie and just Goofy in general. And so I got her this classic, a Goofy movie VHS looking notebook. She also loves stationery, so hello, Goofy and stationery combined into one. It is perfect. They came out with some books like this, I think like a couple of years ago. I actually DIY'd one of them. If you want to see it, I'll link it down below. But this one actually looks like a case, whereas the other ones look like just a book and they printed it on. They really stepped their game up with this new set that they just released. I think I saw they added Hercules to maybe Aladdin, I'm not sure. But you open it, and in the inside, it looks like it has the VHS in there. And then on each page, it just kind of has Goofy and the other characters on there at the bottom of each page. It's very cute, it's very pretty. It looks literally like the VHS you would have owned back in the day. And to go with this, I also got her a little Goofy movie pen, which is also very retro because it has the multiple colors that were really big in the 90s and like early 2000s. And this just kind of pushes down. The pen has all the colors of the rainbow, which is very cool and really takes me back to the 90s and like early 2000s when I used to love pens like these. So perfect gift set for those people that love stationery and love Disney and a Goofy movie. Moving on to the next retro thing. I've got a mug because you know I like mugs and I have like 20 of them and they're all mostly Disney, but I just can't ever get enough. I got this one because Emperor's New Groove is one of my favorite classic Disney movies. I know. Emperor's New Groove came out in the year 2000, which is technically not really 90s, but it's borderline. They were probably working on it like in 1989, which kind of still counts, so whatever, you know, it's borderline. It has Kronk on it with the little squirrel. It's purple, and on the back it says, probably one of my favorite lines in the movie, squeaky squeak, squeaker squeakin'. Do I need to say anything else? Really, like, the mug speaks for itself. Moving on, it's another present for one of my other very great friends. You can actually find her here on YouTube as Cheryl Poe. I'll link her channels down below. Cheryl, you too, if you haven't received your gift in the mail by the time I uploaded this, look away. Otherwise, I'm sorry, you're just gonna find out early. I got this as part of her little gift set that I'm sending her, and it's a clear clutch with a big old bow. This one's not as retro, but I mean, come on, Minnie is classic, so. And inside of the clear clutch, which is red, it has another little purse, which is black, and it has the white polka dots, and some of the polka dots are Minnie heads with bows, and inside it's just black. While it's really dainty, I thought it was also very bold with a big bow, and she can either use this as a makeup bag or use it like this, like to go out, night out or something, to complement one of her outfits. So I hope she likes it. And then the very last thing, this one I didn't buy. This one was actually a gift for me. My friend Cheryl actually sent this to me as part of a little gift package that she sent me in the mail. It was such a lovely surprise. And in it was this lip smacker, Tsum Tsum, holiday version mini lip smacker. That was a very bad description. I think this would make a perfect stocking stuffer. I'm definitely super excited that she included it as part of my little gift package. This one is cherry flavored. I haven't opened it, but I have tried Lip Smacker's cherry flavored lip balms, and they smell the bomb. So yeah, if you're looking for anything to add to the stockings of those Disney lovers or to complement a gift, I recommend this because I got it and I'm really happy about it. Thank you, Cheryl. And that's all that I have for today. Hopefully this helps your holiday shopping for your loved ones or for yourself, you know, because treat yourself.
Treat yourself.
If you like this video, like this video. Send cookies if you have any leftover ones. Subscribe down below for more. I make lots of Disney DIYs, vintage, a little bit of everything, retro stuff on here. Sending you a really, really big virtual hug wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye! I feel like